Welcome to October, everyone, and it is, I have to say, probably my favorite time of year. It's so cozy. It's time to bring out the pumpkin lattes and the pumpkin decor, right?
Yes.
This is a time to change our home decor and add a little fall.
Yes, it's a perfect time of the year because this time of the year we bring in a lot of the outside in leaves, twigs, all of the
Pumpkins, don't forget the pumpkins.
pumpkins that are on trend right now.
Yeah, they are. Well, and we just finished a whole month of cramming our site with beautiful Halloween projects. Beautiful Halloween. I think we do Halloween really well.
Yes, I don't know if you can tell, but it is our favorite time of the year.
It is a little bit, but Halloween for us, we either go really cute or elegant. So I really welcome you guys to go and take a deep dive into our Halloween section. What are some of the fun things that you love over in Halloween?
Well, we have some really great costumes.
We do.
Anything from Vikings to robots, mermaids. There's really something for everyone.
And a lot of these are kind of a no-sew DIY costume. They're easy to whip up at the last minute. This year we added a couple new ones that are actually paper. We made these beautiful paper wing butterfly wings and dragonfly wings, and I had so much fun photographing those with the little girls who wore them. They were so cute.
So much
you could
fun.
probably whip that up in a couple of hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they had little antenna with felt on them. So anyhow, go check it out because there's so much there. So once you're done with Halloween and all the spooky, black, cute stuff, what are you seeing for fall? How are we decorating our houses?
We are seeing really fun and pretty colors, kind of orange hues, anything from apricot to more of the rusty orange.
And we cannot forget saffron.
And saffron, yes. So that mixed with a little dusty teal and you're all set.
I think so. I just love, bringing in those warm colors. I personally can't wear them, but in my home, oh yes. And I've taken on that challenge of this beautiful color palette. You guys will see this roll out this month where we're doing a whole series on From My House to Yours, where we're going to show you how I'm decorating my Thanksgiving table. And also, I'm actually going to share some of my gluten-free recipes with you guys, which are pretty much plant-based. So it's sort of a vegan gluten-free combo. And I haven't quite decided which recipes we're going to film yet. This is going to happen here in the next couple weeks.
I can't wait.
Yes, so I am asking if you guys have a recipe that you want me to share with you. It has to be one that I do. But let me know. Put it in the comments and let us know what you're wanting to see. I know we're going to do the gluten-free gravy because that is amazing. Gluten-free vegan gravy.
That sounds great.
It is
that
so
is hard
good
to make.
It is hard to make.
I can't wait to learn about your tricks.
And I have to say, when I serve it, people don't even know it's gluten-free or vegan. It's so good.
Perfect.
Yeah. So I'm going to share that one with you for sure. But we have other options like pumpkin desserts, or how I might make my stuffing or my dressing. So this is going to be fun. We've had a lot of people asking for this for quite a while.
Yes, we'll also be showing how you set your
Yes.
Thanksgiving table
Using this color palette.
Yes, beautiful chandeliers.
Yes, so keep an eye out for those things. We're looking forward to really rolling out this whole fall flavor. We're embracing this time of year. Once you've decorated your house for Thanksgiving and you have your table all designed and set, there might be some really fun crafts you want to do. And we have quite a few fall crafts as well. I think, one of the go-tos is a fall wreath with leaves or even fall looking flowers. But if you want to get the kids involved, I just think these are so cute. This reminds me of my childhood. And these are little peg dolls. I think we have a ball, and then we have a little clothespin, and then another kind of stand that's put on that. And then we have some wire here, and this is felt. I mean, you could sit down and make these with your kids, and they, it's going to look like your kids. It may not quite look like this, but it will be so adorable. And imagine having a set of these on the mantle. Yeah. Maybe you could even, instead of doing pilgrims, you can make the family.
Yeah.
Do something like that.
Such a great way to weave in some history.
Yeah, some history, and also that togetherness and that gratitude that we like to talk a lot about too. We also have these really cute pumpkin pie boxes. And I'm not really sure I'd put a whole piece of pumpkin pie in here, but what a great little gift box for someone, or even a favor if you're doing, a Thanksgiving dinner with friends and you have these as little favors. Or
too cute.
put
Or
a piece of pie.
yeah, you can
I
even
would.
use them on the place settings.
Yeah, you could.
Yeah.
We have quite a few of these labels and kind of container ideas for your leftovers. So make sure and go check those out as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is one of my favorites.
I know. Too cute.
Yes, turkeys. It is the turkey season. So this one again, it could be a kid's craft. This is all cut out with a cutting machine. And then gluing the feathers on could be something that the kids could do together. And you can see how this just pulls apart. You can store it really easily once Thanksgiving is over, and then assemble it back together again
For next year.
Yeah, for next year. So I think that that's something that we really like to do with our craft designs, is make projects that you will want to use year after year. There's sort of, it is paper, so whatever. But if you made this and 20 years from now, your grandkids or your kids when they're older finds this, it would be a treasure.
Yes,
It would
for
be.
sure.
So we like that sustainable crafting. So what else is going on?
We have some exciting site updates to share. Our smartphone photography course will be live here in a few days.
It will be. This is something I've been wanting to do for quite a while, and that is just share some of the tips that you and I have when we do all the photography for the site, and give them out to our members to show them how to take really great photographs of their crafts. So it's a quick course. It only takes about 20 minutes to watch, but it's packed with really great tips and tricks that, I've grown to know as the photographer, and that you've also taught me as the stylist. So we're sharing this out for all of our members, and you'll be getting an email that will give you a link so you can have free access to this whole course. You can watch it as many times as you want to. So make sure and watch your email to get that link. And if you don't see it, just send us an email and say, hey, I didn't get my email yet, because you will need that access code to get the free version of that course. I'm so excited to share. It's perfect time of the year to get this out there, because not only can you use these tips and tricks to photograph your crafts, but also your holidays and your family, and how your life as you have this beautiful life that you're crafting, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
and make sure you check out the challenge that Leah threw out at the end. We can't wait to see what you're gonna share with us.
Of course, I always love to give challenges. So
we are also redesigning our homepage to make it a little easier for you to find our latest projects, trends, anything that's going on. So we hope you'll like that.
yes, we're always in flux and flow, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And then one of my favorites is that our shop, we have added a lot of new craft tools,
We have.
and
Mhm.
we're adding a whole new section on felt and felting materials.
Yes. So every single felt project that we have on our site will have a link, and you can just buy right there. So we want to make it just this easy, one
stop.
click. Yes, one-stop shop.
Yeah,
For you
one-stop craft shop. So if there are any tools, materials you really want us to carry, please let us know. Make sure that you set up a shop account and sign up for our newsletter to hear about all of our latest offering and news. I do want to point out that the shop account has a different URL than leahgriffith.com.
Mhm.
So even though you can use the same username and password, you need to set up a separate account.
Yeah, and we're kind of nudging you all to go set up your account. Not only can you order your things quickly and all your information's already there, but I don't know, we might do a little giveaway or throw out some fun things for people who have the shop accounts or who are on the shop email list as well. So I think it would be worth it.
So I want to thank all of you for joining our Member Make last month. We had so much fun with our guest instructor, Inga. Thank you, Inga, for coming.
We made that giant bomb peony, which we don't do a lot of large flowers, so it was really fun to experience something a little outside of our comfort zone as well.
It was fun, and it'll be so pretty to decorate.
It will be. And I got to be the student on that one. That was a lot of fun. So this month, we're going back to what we promised you. And I know we heard a little sadness that we didn't do this last month, but we are going to do the dahlia. And so that's coming up. Watch your email. We're going to send you the exact date on when we're going to do that. It's a little, we have Halloween at the end of the month, but I think we'll probably try and hit about center, maybe third week, that we'll do that dahlia. And it is a great flower to bring into your fall and fall decor, even Christmas. I think you can do some really pretty red dahlias for Christmas.
Yeah, I know. I'm really excited to be making it.
So anyhow, yes, get your crafting tools out and come and craft with us. This is the time of year. It's cold outside. Get your pumpkin latte and let's get going. All right, we'll see you next month.